before, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by making sure Steam is not open, and then finding the logo and right-clicking it. You're going to click on Properties, and then from here, you're going to go to the target, and don't delete anything, but click space dash login space dash no login react. Now from there, you're going to click on apply, and it's going to need administrator permission to continue changing these settings. So you're just going to make sure you can do that and then click on OK. Now from there, Steam should be able to open perfectly fine, but if that doesn't work, you may need to uninstall the application completely and reinstall. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.